Guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can refund on shop app. So once you place an order and you want to refund that the product that you do not like, so I am on the shop help center, and here you can see if you want to cancel an order, initiate a return or request a refund, then you need to contact the store that you purchased from. You can contact our store through the shop app or by replying to the order confirmation email that you receive after placing your order. So here is the complete process. Contact our shop store by email or social media. From the order tab in shop, tap the order that you want to contact our store about, tap contact, click on store name, choose your preferred contact method, that is email or available social media like Instagram. From the prompt to open the email or social media and then send your message, and once you send the message you can easily communicate with the shop store owner that you want to refund, and once you both agree on the refund, that then you can easily get your refund. And this is the process how you can refund on shop app. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.